Welcome to Royal Palace online classes. So today I will discuss the remaining problems. Yesterday we discussed up to 7.5. Let us take 7.6. Obtain the frequency of a series LCR circuit with L is equal to 20 Henry L is equal to 20 Henry, C is equal to 32 microfarad and R is equal to 10 ohms. What is the Q value of this circuit? Is asking the Q value. Q value is omega L by Q is equal to omega naught L by R. You know that omega is equal to 1 by root LC. Omega naught is equal to 1 by root LC. So substitute that is equal to 1 by root LC into L by R. This will become 1 by root C root L by R. This you can write 1 by R into root of L by C. So L is given 20 Henry, R is given 10. So this will become 1 by 10 into root of 20 by C value is 32 into 10 power minus 6. This is the answer. Just to simplify this, you will get the answer. Just to divide and take the root, you will get the answer. Next 7.7. A charged 30 mF capacitor is connected to 27 microhenry inductor. 30 mF capacitor. Capacitance is 30 mF. It is connected to 27 microhenry. There is a capacitor that is connected to 27 microhenry inductor. What is the angular frequency of free oscillation? That means it is asking what is the angular frequency of free oscillation. Means it is asking resonance frequency. That is in LC oscillation, we will get omega is equal to 1 by root LC. That is equal to 1 by root of 30 into 10 power minus 6 into 27 into 10 power minus 3. This is the answer. Just to multiply this, take the root, then divide by 1. 1 by that you divide, then you will get the answer. Okay. Next question is 7.8. 7.8. Suppose the initial charge on the capacitor in exercise 7.7 is 6 millicoulomb. What is the total energy stored in the circuit initially? What is the total energy at later time? See, this is an LC oscillation. In LC oscillation, total energy will be conserved. First energy will be with capacitor, then afterwards it comes to inductor. Energy associated with capacitor will be 7.8. Energy associated with capacitor will be Q square by 2C this Q will take it as Q naught square, where maximum charge. In LC oscillation, first energy will be with capacitor, that will enter into inductor, and from inductor again it enter to capacitor, and we will consider that these LC oscillations are conducted in idealistic condition, so that the wire as well as capacitor are ideal. Then we can say that mechanical energy is conserved. So Q is given as some value 6 microcoulomb, 6 millicoulomb as given, and you have to take the values of previous question. From 7.7 only you take the value of capacitor, and this is you have to find the energy. 6 into 10 power minus 3 whole square is the charge given, divided by 2 into capacitor in 7.7 is 30 into 10 power minus 6. So this, if you simplify this, you can again write it as 6 square is 36, 10 power minus 3 square is 10 power minus 6, divided by 2 into 30 into 10 power minus 6. 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 6 will get cancelled. Now this is 6 times, 6 5 times. So answer is 6 by 10, 6 by 10 joules. Okay. Calculations you can do on your own, just I have shown this. So 6 by 10 is equal to, this 6 by 10 is the energy, and he asked one more question. What is the energy initial? Energy initially it is associated with capacitor, this is the energy, and this energy remains constant. Energy remains constant. Energy is conserved in LC oscillation. Energy remains constant throughout the oscillation. Throughout the oscillation, energy remains constant. Next let us take one more question. 7.9, series LCR circuit. Take one more question, series LCR circuit. Series LCR circuit. Series LCR circuit, R is equal to 7.9, R is equal to 20 ohms, L is equal to 1.5 Henry, C is equal to 35 microfarad, is connected to a variable frequency. Frequency is 200, voltage is 200 volts, and frequency of supply equals to the natural frequency of circuit. What is the average power transferred in one complete cycle? What is the average power transferred? If frequency is equal to its natural frequency of the circuit, means where it will take free oscillation, that is nothing but resonance frequency. When frequency is equal to natural frequency, what is the power dissipated? When frequency is equal to natural frequency at resonance in LCR circuit, what happens is omega L is equal to 1 by omega C, then Z value impedance will be equal to R only, because impedance Z is equal to root of R square plus omega L minus 1 by omega C whole square, Z is equal to R only. When Z is equal to R, it acts like a pure resistor circuit. In pure resistor circuit, maximum power is dissipated, maximum power is lost. So that power is equal to Vrms, Irms, cos phi. Cos phi will be here, both will be in the same phase. It acts like a resistor circuit. It acts like a resistor circuit. So VRMS into IRMS. VRMS is given as 200. So you write this as 200, but IRMS is not given. How can you find IRMS? According to Ohm's law, VRMS is equal to IRMS into resistance. So 200 into 200 into 20 will be the answer, because R value is given as 20. So these are the some of the problems. You just take it as an assignment. Just solve these problems, try to understand, and the remaining problems we will solve in our next video. Thank you for joining me.